Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Cadiz Fabric Visitor Chair. Assembly Guide. Included in the box are seat pad, backrest, arms, seat base in 3 parts, Allen key, 8 bolt caps, 12 bolts, which are pre-inserted into their respective holes to prevent them from getting lost during transit. Use the Allen keys provided to remove these. To start, take the 3 parts of the base and assemble like this, making sure the 4 lugs are pointing inwards. Insert the 2 countersunk bolts and tighten them up. Next, attach the base to the seat pad with the 4 bolts provided. We recommend you use the Allen keys provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Once the 4 bolts are inserted, you can tighten them up. Next, using the bolts provided, attach the arms to the seat pad only. Each arm is marked underneath with L or R to indicate if it's left or right-handed. To make the next stage of assembly easier, do not fully tighten these bolts at this stage. With the arms fitted to the seat pad, position the back between the arms like this and insert the 2 bolts through the arms into the bottom of the back. Again, do not tighten the bolts at this point. Now swing the seat back into position, locating the final 2 bolts. Once all the bolts are inserted, you can tighten them up. To finish, just pop the bolt caps over the holes in the arms. Please keep your Allen keys to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it! Your Cadiz Fabric Visitor Chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.